American 191 turn right heading 330 to revolutions, no delay.
American 191 underway.
Look at this, he blew up an engine. We need equipment. He blew up an engine.
Oh my God!
American 191 heavy, do you want come back? And in what runway?
Meanwhile, C, mon baby C, mon baby. Lift it up.
He's not talking to me.
Yeah, he's gonna lose a wing.
There he goes. I need to be. Yeah, that airplane lost its engine in air. Oh my God.
Dan. Okay, bye guys, I hoped you liked it. Smash them subscribe button and like the vid.